Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Shakina Vlogs. I hope you guys are having a blessed and amazing day. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today, as you guys know, today is Christmas Eve. Okay guys, so right now we are going to have our dinner right now. So today's dinner as usual, roasted chicken. So okay guys, as usual, every Christmas Eve we will be having roasted chicken made by my mom. So without further ado, let's check it out guys. Okay guys, without further ado, I'm going to have my dinner right now. Okay guys, as you guys can see, dinner has been served. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I'm adding some Thousand Island on the salad.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so right now I'm going to have my dessert. As you guys can see, my mom literally made a homemade jelly by herself. Literally looks yummy guys. I'm going to enjoy myself with my mom's homemade jelly. So yeah. So without wasting any of my time, I'm just going to have the jelly guys. I'm going to taste the jelly right now. Okay guys, it literally tastes sweet. Okay guys, so this is basically one of my favorite jelly because it has lychee flavor on it. So lychee jelly is literally one of my favorite jelly. So thank you mom for making one of my favorite jelly on this Christmas Eve. Okay guys, so I'm just going to have my jelly and I'll see you guys in my next shot. Peace. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I see my dad preparing some jellies. Can you say hi or something?
Yes, getting this jellies for my joggers now.
Okay. How was your experience there wrapping the jelly?
Oh, it's really nice. I'm getting excited now because I'm actually not wrapping the jelly, but I'm looking at the jelly when I can take it in my mouth.
Okay guys, it's basically 12:30 in the morning, so it's Christmas. So I'm enjoying myself by watching Netflix guys. I really hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas. So guys, whoever out there celebrating Christmas, I wish you guys Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So yeah guys, this is how literally my Christmas Eve went. It's literally amazing and awesome. I'm literally enjoying myself now watching Netflix guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on Christmas Day. The Christmas morning. I'll definitely show you guys and I'll see you guys in my next shot. Peace. Merry Christmas guys. Hey guys, good morning. It's basically 6:21 a.m. and I just woke up. And yeah guys, before we start the day, I would really love to have a hot Milo because it's literally very cold here. So guys, I basically have two options, whether to drink Nescafe or to drink Milo. But I literally prefer to drink Milo right now because I don't know, I just feel like drinking Milo. So I'm just gonna have Milo. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next shot. I'm so sorry, I'm freezing, I'm shivering. Basically, I'm gonna have a cup of Milo right now guys. And I'll see you guys in my next shot. Peace. Bye guys. Basically, I changed my mind because my dad was literally making coffee and the aroma literally wanted me to change the Milo to Nescafe. So I literally asked my dad to make, because Nescafe is literally his favorite drink. So yeah guys, that's what I'm gonna have now. I'm gonna have hot Nescafe. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna have my breakfast as you guys can see. Okay guys, so today we have idli, string hoppers and dosa. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna have my breakfast. So I will taste it and let you know how it tastes. Looks so yummy guys. It's awesome guys. Literally tastes amazing. This is basically how it looks like guys. The chicken is literally soft and tender guys. Guys, I just finished having my breakfast. So what did you guys have for your breakfast on Christmas Day? Do comment in the comment section down below. I'm really very curious to know, guys, what did you guys have for breakfast on Christmas Day? So don't forget to comment down on the comment section below. Please keep yourself dehydrated, guys. Drink plenty of water. So okay guys, we have prepared the vaji for Christmas, as you guys can see. So okay guys, this is literally the second outfit of the day. As you guys can see, I literally changed my outfit. So okay guys, I'll show you guys my full outfit in the next shot. Please. So guys, meanwhile of me vlogging, I'm still waiting for lunch. So yeah guys, how's your Christmas going on this year? Mine is literally going on very great. So okay guys, as you guys can see, lunch has been served. So this is literally my Christmas lunch this year. So it literally looks mouth-watering, guys. So I can't wait to have my lunch right now. So without wasting any of my time, I'm gonna have my lunch and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. So we have achar, chicken rendang, mutton ketchup, pineapple pachadi and prawn sambar. So as you guys can see, it literally looks amazing and it literally looks so tempting, guys. So without any further ado, I'm just gonna have my lunch right now. And yeah. Okay guys, as you guys can see, the chicken rendang literally looks amazing. The spices are literally perfect on the chicken rendang. So yeah guys, the chicken is literally so soft and tender. Okay guys, basically prawns is literally one of my favorite dish, and basically love prawns with shell, because basically when my mom does prawn sambar, the sambar literally goes into the prawns and literally tastes juicy, as you guys can see. Okay guys, I'm rolling right now because it literally tastes amazing. This is amazing guys. And this biryani literally goes well my face. My face is very missing. Okay guys, so basically the biryani literally tastes amazing with this pineapple pachadi, as you guys can see. Hi pineapple. Yeah, thank you mom for literally making the best lunch ever. And yeah, love you. So guys, now every year we'll be cutting a cake for Christmas. So this is cake is literally very cute and very unique as well. Are you guys ready? So guys, this is basically the cake, as you guys can see. The Santa Claus literally looks so cute on top of the cake. Okay guys, right now we're opening the cake, as you guys can see. Oh yeah. Okay guys, the cake literally smells like coffee chocolate and I'm really very tempting to have it, guys. Okay guys, I'm so sorry for not sharing the cake with you guys. I feel so bad guys, I'm so sorry. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna cut the cake, as you guys can see. Guys, the cake literally looks so yummy, guys. Guys, the cake literally smells like coffee chocolate. Wow, it literally looks like Swiss roll, guys, inside of the cake. It really tastes yummy. Feels so bad, guys. Okay guys, the cake is literally showered with nuts, as you guys can see. The cake literally looks so creamy and chocolatey, as you guys can see. Jesus is the reason for this season, guys. Happy birthday, Jesus. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. And yeah guys, please don't forget to wait for my Boxing Day video. I'm literally very curious to find out what Christmas gift I got this year. So I will not be showing you guys the Christmas gifts in this vlog, and I'll be showing you guys in my next vlog that will be on Boxing Day. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys had a blessed and a prosperous Christmas. Yeah guys, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Much love. Love you guys.
My eyes find only for you. I just gotta let you